Welcome to the master plan community of Sonoran Foothills in North Phoenix. I'm Spero Pagos with Keller Williams Northeast Realty, and I'd like to give you a tour of my latest listing at 32822 North 16th Glen. This luxurious home sits on a private cul-de-sac lot with mountain views. It is over 3,200 square feet, has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, includes a detached casita and private gated courtyard. Inside you'll find a separate home office or den, an elegant formal dining area, upgraded gourmet kitchen with high-end GE Monogram stainless steel appliances, a 6-burner gas cooktop, and a large breakfast island overlooking a spacious yet cozy family room with fireplace. Retreat to the large master bedroom and luxurious master bathroom with dual vanities. The oversized lot and resort-style backyard is an entertainer's dream, as there's no neighbors directly behind. It has a sunken barbecue area, a unique and rare lap pool, and a private covered patio perfect for hanging out with family and friends. For more information on this home or to schedule a private showing, contact me, Spero Pagos, at 602-773-6600. Thank you.